Attach the AerosolMaster to the designated place. Then fit the ball valve for the aerosol to the machine and connect it to the aerosol hose that connects the aerosol outlet on the AerosolMaster and the spindle or tool. Connect the control air to the ball valve with a maximum pressure of 8 bar. Electrical control is via the machine. Connect the compressed air supply to the AerosolMaster and discharge the exhaust air into the work area. Establish a power supply and interface to the machine, either digitally with Profinet or Profibus. If it is an unpressurized device, fill the AerosolMaster with approved MQL oil up to the maximum mark. You can optionally connect the refill unit. Connect the exhaust air from the AerosolMaster to the filter of the refill unit and connect the oil pump to the AM refill connection. The electrical connection for the level switch and the magnetic valve is made via the field distributor on the AerosolMaster. Establish the compressed air supply for the oil pump and observe the maximum inlet pressure of 7 bar. Fill the refill unit with approved MQL oil and activate the automatic refill via the machine control unit. Optionally connect the pressure module. Mount the pressure module in a suitable place and integrate it into the air supply line to the AerosolMaster. Attach the AerosolMaster to the designated place. Use the rotary control to set the set pressure of the pressure booster